Hare Krishna. Number 2. Many times when we hear about spirituality, general thought is we are all God. Guru can be God. But according to Sri Ramanucharya established facts, we cannot be God. But we are part and parcels of God. We are not God, but we are gods. God's property. So Guru is a representative of Krishna. He is not Krishna. We worship Guru as he is the representative of Krishna. Similarly, we are not God. When we pay obeisances to someone, we pay obeisances to the Paramatma who is there within his heart, Krishna. So, Sripad Ramanujacharya establishes this fact that we are not God, but we are gods. Hare Krishna.